Namaste everyone. So today we will start with the new chapter practical geometry, and in this chapter we will basically learn how to draw a quadrilateral with a given information. So this is our question: to construct a quadrilateral when the lengths of four sides and a diagonal are given. Say for example PQ 4 cm, QR 6 cm, RS 5 cm, PS 5.5 and PR 7 cm. So for this, let us draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. You can see I have drawn here one rough sketch, that is PQRS is a quadrilateral where according to this given information PQ is 4 cm, QR it is 6 cm, RS 5 cm, PS 5.5 cm and PR it is 7 cm. So now let us construct this quadrilateral step by step. So step number 1, let us draw a line segment PR of length 7 cm with the help of your measurement scale. So let us draw a line segment, okay, with the help of your scale, that is 7 cm, and name it PR. So now we will go to step number 2. Draw any line with the help of your scale such that it should be greater than 7 cm, and the starting point you named it as P. So now by taking a compass with radius 7 cm, okay, draw an arc from the point P. So if I draw an arc from the point P with the help of the compass, so now name it as R, okay. So this was the line segment, so this was a line segment, okay, of PA. So we have drawn a PA, a line segment of any measurement such that it should be greater than 7 cm. Now what we have done, taking PR as the radius with the help of the compass, we have drawn a arc, okay, and since in this diagram we have given this is R is equal to PR is equal to 7 cm, so we have drawn a line segment PR 7 cm. Okay. Now step number 3. Now you can see in this diagram, the rough sketch, we have taken PQ as 4 cm as already mentioned in the question, okay, that PQ it is 4 cm. So let us draw a line segment 4 cm with the help of your measurement scale and name it as PQ. So now with the help of compass you take this 4 cm as radius, okay, from the point P draw an arc of radius 4 cm, okay. Since we have taken the 4 cm as the radius, so you draw an arc from the point P with the help of a compass. Now as you can see QR it is 6 cm, so you draw another line segment of QR, that is 6 cm. So now with the help of your compass, QR as 6 cm, okay, you draw an arc from the point R which intersect the previous arc at point Q. So now join this PQ and QR. So now you can see that QPR, it's become a triangle. Okay. So we will proceed the steps. That is step number 4. So step number 4. Now you see PS. It is 5.5 centimeter. So let us draw a line segment which is 5.5 centimeter and name it as PS. Okay. So I am erasing this part. So let us draw the diagram again here so that it will be clear to you. Now you take the radius PS, that is 5.5 centimeter, with the help of your compass. From the point P, draw an arc, okay, just below this line segment PR. Okay, now you draw the line segment SR 5 centimeter with the help of your scale, 5 centimeter, and name it as RS. Now take the radius RS, that is 5 centimeter, with the help of your compass. From the point R, draw an arc below this PR which will intersect the previous arc at point S. Now you join this RS with the help of your scale. So after joining this, we will get, this is a quadrilateral having 4 sides. Okay. So write all the measurement. So this is our required quadrilateral. So PQRS is the required quadrilateral. So in this way, we will be constructing quadrilaterals from the given informations having 4 sides and a diagonal. So today I want to conclude here. Next class I will be showing more about the constructions. With this I want to conclude. Thank you.